What if I told you that the most important piece of health equipment in your home isn't your treadmill, your vitamins, or even the food in your refrigerator? It's your mattress. Because every single night, while you're asleep, your body goes to work. Your brain organizes memories. Your muscles repair themselves. Your immune system recharges. Hormones rebalance. Your heart and mind recover from everything the day threw at them. Sleep isn't simply rest, it's repair. It's your body's overnight maintenance crew. And the mattress you sleep on, that's the foundation that all of that work happens on. Yet most people spend more time researching a television they'll watch for a few hours a week than the mattress they'll spend nearly a third of their lives on. Think about that. We spend about 26 years in bed, and many of us are sleeping on something that no longer fits our body, our health, or our needs. That's why buying a mattress isn't just buying furniture. It's investing in how you'll feel tomorrow, next year, and even 10 years from now. The truth is, there isn't one perfect mattress for everyone because there isn't one perfect body. Some people love the familiar feel of a traditional quilted mattress. I compare it to your favorite pair of blue jeans. Comfortable, supportive, familiar, and easy to live with. Others need the pressure relief of memory foam. Memory foam is almost like wet sand at the beach. It slowly molds around you, helping reduce pressure on your shoulders, hips, and back. Then there are organic and latex mattresses, which I call nature's suspension system. They're supportive, responsive, breathable, and have a buoyant feel that so many people fall in love with. And then there's the world of adjustable beds, one of the most underappreciated sleep technologies available today. Elevating your head can help with snoring, acid reflux, circulation, and pressure relief, all while making it easier to relax and unwind. At Mattress Central, we believe sleep should never be one size fits all. That's why we've built what we believe is not only West Virginia's largest mattress selection under one roof, but perhaps one of the largest selections in the entire tri-state area. We carry some of the biggest and most trusted names in sleep, including Tempur-Pedic, Nectar, DreamCloud, Puffy, Helix, Avocado, Stearns and Foster, King Coil, and so much more. And here's something we tell people every day. No one would buy running shoes without trying them on. No one would buy a car without taking it for a test drive. Yet millions of people buy mattresses online after laying on them for exactly 0 seconds. Your body is unique. Your shoulders are unique. Your back is unique. The way you sleep is unique. That's why trying a mattress matters. Sometimes all it takes is 5 minutes on the right mattress to realize you've been sleeping wrong for years. So if you've been waking up tired, sore, stiff, or just feeling like your sleep could be better, come visit us at Mattress Central in Fairmont. Explore traditional mattresses, memory foam, organic latex, adjustable beds, and flex head mattresses. Ask questions. Take your time. Work with our friendly, non-commissioned sleep experts who genuinely love helping people sleep better. Because at the end of the day, we're not just selling mattresses. We're helping people wake up with more energy, less pain, better health, and a better quality of life. Better days really do start with better nights, and the mattress you choose tonight could change the way you feel tomorrow. Welcome to Mattress Central in Fairmont, West Virginia's largest mattress selection, where great sleep begins.